Want to change your age on YouTube? I'll show you how in 1 minute. First, note YouTube uses the birthday saved in your Google account. You'll need access to the Google account tied to YouTube and possibly verification. If your account is a child or supervised account, ask the family manager to update it. Privacy tip: never share IDs publicly. Only upload verification documents to official secure forms. Ready? Let's walk through the exact steps on screen now. Open YouTube, click your profile icon, and select Manage your Google account. In Google account, go to Personal Info to find your birthday field. Click the pencil icon next to birthday. Enter the correct date, then save. If Google asks for verification, follow the on-screen steps or upload requested documents securely. If you can't change the birthday, contact Google support or ask your family manager for help. That's it. Confirm YouTube displays the updated age and keep your account secure.